So on my Jeep TJ, the horn don't work, the airbag light's on, and when I make a left-hand turn, the turn signal doesn't cancel out. So I suspected needed one of these. Disconnect the battery, you don't want the airbag popping in your face. Alright, so right here on the back side of the steering wheel is an 8mm nut or bolt. You're going to take that off after you do the battery, one on each side. 8mm deep socket, 1/4" drive, fits perfect in there. Pry off the airbag wires. This one is for the horn. 13/16 fits it tight. Got the big guns. I marked it so I knew which way it went together and I can get everything back on straight. I really believe this was totally unnecessary. I believe the steering wheel is keyed so it only goes on one way. You're going to need these steering wheel pullers. Install the steering wheel puller bolts. Put the threads into these holes, and that's what she said. It's on there tight. Yeah. Feels like a dog inside here. Take these steering wheel covers off. I removed the kick plate. It was totally unnecessary. Don't know how I didn't film it, but you removed the clock spring by gently prying it out of these two little clips that hold it in. You see it, there's a little black tab on here. Needs to go up, and then it unplugs. Same thing on the other one. Little anti-seize on the shaft here. Once you have the new one plugged in, gently press it in. Make sure it's seated all the way. You'll find out why later. Don't forget to pull this little black tab out when you're all done and ready to put it back together. Reinstall all the trim pieces. Don't forget your ignition lock. Poke the wires through. Install the nut, torque to 40 pounds. Plug in the airbag and horn and tighten it all down. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Oh, that's a fucking new one, huh? If you see me driving down the road with my turn signal on, sorry.
Much later.
The problem I have is when I turn my turn signal on and do my turn, the wheel spins back around and it doesn't turn off the turn signal, doesn't cancel it out. There's a little plastic tab on the turn signal that goes into the steering column. And there's two little teeth on the clock spring that snap it off. So I don't know what I did wrong, but we're going to take it apart and see. So we already know how to take it off, so we're just going to do see what my problem is. My clock spring doesn't feel like it's in there, seated all the way. Look at that. Yeah, I didn't have it pushed in firmly. Let's put it all back together and see what we got. You don't have to watch me put it back together because I can just do this. Similar note, I could have just stuck a screwdriver back there and pushed to make sure it's seated. Now you know, and no one's half the battle. You got some more time to kill, check out my podcast, 10 Minute Off-Road Podcast. The card for it up here. It's a podcast for the off-road short headspan, blah, blah, blah. That didn't put you to sleep. Try out one of my other fine videos. They'll surely put you to sleep. And if you like what you saw, hit the thumbs up. Didn't like, hit the thumbs down. Leave a comment down below and you got something to say. And as always, thanks for watching.